Hi, Sarah.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Louisiana.
Where do you live?
I live in Louisiana, America.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
Are you foodie?
I am a huge foodie, yes!
Are you a lazy person?
Sometimes I can be.
Do you have any siblings?
I have one sister and one younger brother.
Are you friendly?
I'm very friendly.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies include eating food and spending time with my family and friends.
Do you like to listen to music?
I love to listen music.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Twice, but I almost fell off.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Do you like to wear makeup?
Yes, I like to wear makeup.
When was the last time you cried?
The last time I cried was maybe 6 months ago.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I have not eaten breakfast.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you have many regrets?
I wouldn't say so. No.
What sports can you play?
I can play hockey, tennis, swimming, and badminton.
Do you feel uncomfortable now?
I don't.